Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Wild Podcast channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Chadia, and today we are going to talk about daily routine. This is a very important topic for beginner English learners.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today to talk with you, Rex. Daily habits are the things we do every single day. It is the perfect topic to learn simple English vocabulary. Let's start our conversation.
Great! Let's start at the very beginning of the day. Let's talk about the morning. Chadia, tell our listeners, what time do you wake up every day?
Well, Rex, I am an early bird. That means I love the morning. I usually wake up very early. I wake up at 5 a.m. every single day, from Monday to Sunday. I love the morning sun, and I love the quiet time before the world wakes up. What about you, Rex? What time do you open your eyes?
Wow, 5 a.m. That is very early. I cannot do that. I am not an early bird. I am a late sleeper. I usually wake up at 8 a.m. or sometimes 8:30 a.m. I need a lot of sleep because I am a T-Rex. Big bodies need a lot of rest and big sleep. If I don't sleep for 8 or 9 hours, I'm very grumpy in the morning.
Oh, really? A grumpy T-Rex sounds very dangerous. That makes sense, Rex. Big dinosaurs need energy. So, tell me, what is the first thing you do right after you wake up?
Well, the very first thing I do is sit on my bed. Then, I try to make my bed. You know, put the blanket and the pillows in the right place. But it is a disaster every morning. It is very difficult for me. My arms are very, very short. I cannot reach the other side of the bed.
Oh, poor Rex. That sounds funny, but it must be very frustrating for you.
Yes, it is a big problem. I fight with my blanket for 5 minutes every day. After that difficult exercise, I need a reward. So, I go straight to the kitchen and I drink a big cup of black coffee. A very big cup. No sugar, no milk. Just strong coffee. I need coffee to open my eyes and start my brain. What about you, Chadia? What do you do right after you wake up at 5 a.m.?
My morning is very peaceful. First, I stand up and I stretch my legs. Stretching is very good for physical health. Then, I go outside to my garden. I eat fresh green grass and I drink a cold glass of water.
Wait. Fresh grass. For breakfast. Every single day.
Yes, Rex. Fresh grass is delicious and it is full of good things. It is a very healthy habit for a goat. It gives me energy for the entire day.
Oh, let's stop here for a moment. This is a perfect moment to teach some English to our beginners. You said, "It gives me energy." That is a useful sentence.
Yes, it is. Many people use it every day. Let's look at the structure. Something plus gives plus someone plus energy. For example, listeners can say, "An apple gives me energy," or "A good night of sleep gives me energy."
Let's give another example. For me, strong coffee gives me energy. Great idea. Also, listeners, notice the verb gives. We add an S because it is singular. Present simple tense. Now let's continue our morning discussion.
But before we talk about your teeth, Rex, if our listeners are learning new words today and enjoying our company, they should definitely click the like button to let us know.
Oh, absolutely. Give us a giant T-Rex thumbs up, everyone. It helps a lot. Now, Chadia, what is next in your daily routine? Do you brush your teeth?
So, Rex, after your coffee, what is next in your daily routine? Do you brush your teeth?
Of course I brush my teeth. It is very important for hygiene, but for me it is a big job. I don't have human teeth. I have 60 very big, very sharp teeth. It takes a long time to clean all of them. I brush my teeth for 20 minutes every morning.
20 minutes? Wow, that is incredible. Most humans brush their teeth for 2 or 3 minutes.
Yes, but humans don't have a mouth like mine. And again, my short arms do not help. I can barely reach my mouth with the toothbrush. It is like a morning workout for my arms. It is difficult, but I do it every day. What about your teeth, Chadia?
My routine is much faster. I brush my teeth too, but I only have a few teeth for chewing grass. I don't have 60 sharp teeth like you, thankfully.
That is true. You are safe with me, Chadia. Don't worry. I am a civilized gentleman now. Look at me. I wear a premium smoking suit and luxury sunglasses. I don't eat my friends.
Yes, you look very elegant and very professional today, Rex. I like your style. So, after you brush your teeth, is it time for breakfast? What do you eat?
Oh yes, breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I usually eat a very big, juicy steak. A lot of meat. Sometimes 2 kilos of meat.
Oh, wow. 2 kilos of meat for breakfast. That is interesting and a bit scary. I really don't like meat. The smell is too strong. As I said, I prefer plants, leaves, and flowers.
I know. You are a vegetarian herbivore, and I am a carnivore. Our daily habits and our food choices are completely different. But that is why we are good friends. We don't fight for the same food.
That is so true. Diversity makes our conversations much more interesting. And speaking of habits, we have a very important question for our listeners today.
Oh yes. Listeners, it is your turn to practice your English now. Tell us in the comments below. What gives you energy in the morning? Is it a big cup of strong coffee or a healthy plate of fresh grass?
Let's hope they prefer coffee. Write your answers in the comments. It is a great exercise to practice your writing skills. We read and answer every single comment.
And before we go to prepare the second part of our day, please do not forget to support us. Click the like button if you enjoyed this conversation and subscribe to the channel right now.
Yes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. It helps our community grow and you will not miss the next episode. In part 2, we will talk about our afternoon routine, our work, and the crazy gym habits.
Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Thank you for listening to us today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and see you very soon in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.